Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the image to the exact specs Discord expects, because proper size and format prevent upload failures. Resize to 128 by 128 pixels and export as PNG, WEB, or GIF for animation. Keep it under 256 KB. Once done, open Server Settings right arrow emoji and upload the file, naming it with a short, memorable alias. Make sure you or the uploader has managed Emojis permission, and double-check transparency and frame rate for animated files so uploads succeed. Next, upload and configure how that emoji will be used, because permissions govern visibility and cross-server access. Once uploaded, pick a short name, you'll type name, to use it. Then, give members the use external emojis permission if you want them to use emojis from other servers in this one. Otherwise, emojis remain local. Also, organize emoji access by role if necessary so only certain groups can react or post them. This prevents clutter and keeps community standards intact. Finally, practice using the emoji in chat and confirm it behaves as expected, because real testing reveals permission gaps. Type : the emoji name, then : to insert it, or open the emoji picker on desktop. On mobile, long press the emoji icon or tap the server's emoji tab. If the emoji appears as text or a red X, re-export at 128 by 128 under 256 KB and verify the servers use external emojis and member permissions. If problems persist, ask an admin to re-upload or check role overrides.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.